Are you ready?
There you go.
Stand by.
Mine's buddy. There you go.
Take out your mag pins in the back.
Stop missing!
He runs shotgun like I do.
He's actually good with a shot.
He is
really good, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That double. There you go. Oh, dang it! All right. There you go, man. Behind the, hey Matt, behind the camera. Sorry. Roger, I want $1 for that. Action!
Hold it with one hand, like that.
Shotgun
Strong
chest to
hand.
load the gun. Alright, that
So strong hand.
better? Yeah, we just
There you go.
Trail ready,
ready.
never heard of it.
Stand by.
I see a few tomorrow.
Reload, rat.
Come on, Don!
Charge it, quick!
Shoot!
Nice.
So there is still a handicap having a magazine.
Turns out you gotta load it.
He's just handicapped.
Done triplet.
He's just handicapped.
Auto 2414.
I'm really hoping my Seymour is just kind of like.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Look at him just sitting there.
Taking it serious again.
Holy cow.
It's gonna be
All
funny
style.
shit.
Yeah. All style.
If I, I'm gonna do this one too.
God, it needs oil.
Actually, we'll hold more.
Load the gun.
Shoot the gun.
Come on, Reverend. Hey, when can we do the buddy shoot? Like, when can we step in and somebody grab a gun and help?
Church of LTG, STG.
I call Gen or John to be my buddy system.
Or just load it all up. Or, I don't know if they're even counting divisions.
Didn't want those anyway.
It's a 90 second?
You need ammo?
250. This is first time shooting, huh? Matt's like, do I come in? Do I help him? I don't know what to do.
It's like a team match. I'm like, just trying to shoot. Oh, yeah! Oh, double. Entire!
Right? Yeah.
I think he needs ammo, Matt.
You want ammo?
Basically, this is what you had to look forward to, son.
I got 4 of them.
Unless you want to run mine.
No.
If I run yours, you're really gonna have to try.
I know.
Right?
Load the gun a
You know,
lot.
I'm running bull.
Huh?
I'm running bull.
Okay. Sure.
Oh! You got one on your belt still, right? Wait! Wait! Oh! Oh! Hey, bravo! Matt's coming in for the save! I got you, bro!
Gonna hit the YouTube timer.
Oh, come on! Woo! Wait, here, one more. Oh, do it, quick. Top, bottom. There it is. Oh! That's finished. There it is. Yeah! Boy, it's almost a lot. Alright, so much empty. That sucks.
Good. 200.59.
Shooting, where it's basically you're projecting your shot into the target. Instead of focusing so much.
There we go.
Yeah, I have it. It's one.
Gan Auto,
I have it in my survival
23.82.
bag. I have it in my survival bag.
Are you ready? Stand by.
So it's Roger, it's John, and then it's you.
There we go.
Where it makes difference.
1500s or something. Yeah, during three-gun matches, you can trooper
Oh,
your
sure,
guns
we'll
on
spin
the
it in
table.
one.
So you load them up and then you just take the last one, put it it's sticking perpendicular to
I'm
it's
surprised
in
how
the
well
it's in here, but it's sticking perpendicular. It's way easier to do that. So you put your lash around it and then you just pull it out, feed it.
Probably. It's probably wide enough. Of course, if you hit it hard enough right on the frame with the full choke, you can get like 3 or 4.
But yeah, there's almost always a shotgun table where you just, as soon as you get to the stage, you make a shotgun ready right there.
He's got a band going. He's high.
Push-up bra for men.
Durka.
One on the table.
One on the plate.
Yeah.
Muzzle up. Clear. 84.94.
Did you?
From Target USA back east.
And what'd you pay for it?
You get it. Well, you can use that for like area matches and
We'll
stuff
see.
like
I've shot
that.
about 15.
And it's guaranteed to
Yeah,
make
maybe
power
25
factor.
rounds
Oh.
through that gun. So.
And so what did you pay for it?
Too much.
Yeah.
I bought that F12, the Typhoon.
$1,000.
Yeah, the same match as the R80.
Oh, that's not so bad. That's less than 50 cents a round. Yeah.
Oh, Krent?
So I
That
mean,
stuff
No,
that,
he had Typhoons are about $300 or $400.
I mean, 40 cents a round or whatever is not great, but it's not
It's got an adjustable gas
not
block.
terrible.
Like, you just go in, like, pull your thing.
that was
through
one
it,
thing that I would have done differently
Put it up.
at Nats.
Which is pretty fucking cool for what it is.
Bought new ammo and not worried about any of that.
Making
The
power
ammo would have
factor.
been there. And my ammo was there. It worked out okay.
You didn't have any problem with it, right?
Did I tell you about my
But the smokiness bothered me. My tight group was
Oh,
really
yeah.
smoky.
Did I tell you about my chrono?
Oh, fuck, I loaded this whole thing
So at
backwards.
the chrono stage, they take your beginning of the match. Still, they take up 8 of them, put it in the bag, and then you see the chrono stage later. and they weighed my bullet at 160 grams. It was supposed to be a 180. And I was like, I will never make fucking power factor at this weight.
So is John
So I
shooting
went
a
up,
pump,
I was
I
like,
guess,
I'll
right?
get in the back
Yeah.
of the
I
line
thought he
for
told me he was
squad
going to
for
shoot an
chrono.
auto.
And
Okay.
when I got up there, I was like, these are 180s. That's got to be wrong. And he's like, well, we'll just shoot him and we'll see how you do.
We're gonna see
and
if
then we'll
it
figure it out.
I got my match saber here.
So
and then the secondary
they,
match saber there.
shot mine,
Secondary match
chronoed
saber.
at the speed.
You never know.
And then, so they reweighed the bullet. And it weighed 179.6.
Decided to not work.
My bullet at the chrono,
The second time?
when they actually weighed it.
Yeah,
Once it was right where it was supposed to. I thought for sure I was going to be shooting mine.
So is there a mistake or?
They misweighed it the first time, but I was shitting bricks.
So why would you use commercial ammo instead of loading your own? You're confident enough of your
You can
own.
buy
The
guaranteed.
only reason is the smokiness
Oh,
with the
yes.
stereoptic dot.
That's a good point, yeah.
Well, you can also buy
We were at the end of the
guaranteed power
day,
factor.
and the sun was going down, and it was creating a big haze every time I fired.
Yep.
Bill, you can buy guaranteed power factor ammo.
And so they won't even chronograph it?
They won't as long as you declare it.
Yeah, you have. Yeah.
At the beginning.
So you have to say it and then let them know before you get there, hey, I am shooting Federal, Syntec.
Right. But
They
the
have
only
that.
advantage you get then is a peace of mind
That and cleaner burning.
and cleaner burning. Yeah, I keep forgetting about that. And so you've been loading your 40 with bullseye? Yeah. I'm going to have to start experimenting with bullseye. I got a couple.
I can give you a really good start.
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah, send me a
What
180 grain Montana jacketed flat nose.
Probably started around 4 or 5.
4 or 5, okay. So that's pretty much what I'm doing with type group.
17.
What's wrong with the tight group?
I've got a lot of it, but it is smoky. I never noticed it until you guys pointed out. It's just got a lot of exhaust. It's dirty.
Yeah. It does up my optics big time, and if the sun's coming down, it does make a difference.
So just shoot Tom.
I know, change the powder.
Just use the $5 Venator you can find.
No.
You know what it doesn't smoke up? Iron sights.
Yeah, true. Good point.
So I see that spinner's what's going to probably give me trouble.
We are exceeding the maximum time limit.
Just hit it,
if he's at 250,
absolutely
you should
load
stop
it.
He's
Or
pretty much
start
there.
with it.
I think that's
I
what
think
I'm going
he's
to do, so I'm
240
going to start
now.
with
I'm
it.
counting.
Shoot bottom.
30, 10 seconds ago.
As soon as it crests back over, shoot top.
Okay.
Yeah, now he's 50. But you gotta want to spin that thing, right?
What is it, plus 30 for not knocking?
30 or 60.
I mean, there's no way my pistol's gonna knock down anything.
Go.
It's gonna be so much fun. I don't even care.
Two well placed shots.
Oh, so it won't
Two well placed shots.
This is a handicap for me.
I mean, that short barrel's not.
So that was John P. With a pump. It's going to say auto, but he was shooting a pump.
Stand by.
Three more.
Oh no, I wasn't ready. Camera didn't hear you.
Oh, I almost
Are you ready?
I'm just trying to keep the hands close.
There was 2 targets they had holding it. I was like, they're not taped.
That leaves me.
Got to shoot one pretty good too. Once I hit it, I was loaded with that. I ran out. Most of them right here. When I ran out, it's pretty good. I just turned it this way, upside down, and then just used my right hand.
I'm running the full show.
Well, you've really got to aim correctly for that spinner, don't you?
Cocked.
If you don't aim
Go to
high,
put it
if
around it,
it's going away from you, you're going to
So
miss
you
it.
have to rack it. Yeah.
I've come out there and like 4 hours hours one morning practice with it. I've done that several times. Well, you know, and you get to where you can spin it reliably, and then a week later I'll come out, I can't hit the damn thing.
What guns are you shooting?
Same one. That was his gun. I was using.
Picked it up yesterday.
Oh, nice.
These are really nice.
Sold the old dog.
Oh, 65.97.
Plus 30.
Oh, plus 30. 69. 65.97 plus 30 because he didn't spin the spinner.
Have a great stage!
Don't miss.
Don't suck! Kind of suck. John shoots shotgun too.
Steel doesn't like you, John.
The back side of it's orange, so you can.
It ran.
Yeah.
If
Yeah, right, great.
If it was loaded, or if it kept using the dot, I had a really tight choke.
There it is.
Fun and everything.
One more! Zeke! One more! Bottom! You gotta put more than one in there!
you don't have to. Load them one at a time.
What? Put more ammo in there! Come on! Look!
You should run that up there.
Here's the magical
Matt, you might be in front of the camera.
I'm not.
Hold the trigger down, run it.
Chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Maybe Matt wants to run the space gun.
Ooh, Matt.
Since you got one coming.
You want to get used to it?
We'll figure out what to do with that A5.
It's a great gun. Don't do anything with it.
Yeah.
Get it back up always.
Especially if you choose to shoot tac-offs.
Why would I do that?
Oh my God, you're not one of those guys now, are you?
Always open, baby.
Did you have to turn in your penis?
When did you get that?
Whale
I didn't say I had to have it.
Josh did it because he was gonna try to get money to for more grip buy bots and stuff for 21. He's like, you still want to buy that? I was like, you gonna buy other guns with money? And he's like, yeah. I was like, okay. That and I've always wanted a 454 tool, 410 slap.
I'm gonna sneak out of here, fellas. It's good seeing you.
Hey there, buddy.
Good to see you, Eric.
Take care, Eric.
See you in 2 weeks, right? Tri-Cities?
She says something. I got 2 boxes of that shit.
Yeah, it's been a while.
This stuff's probably
just
like
cute
gold.
shells. They're just
I know, you're just blowing it away.
You got number 9 shot too. You don't even have any 7.5s or anything?
It's sitting in my basement. I just can't. I'm not gonna knock down a. But I'm gonna shoot the shit out of it.
4 more! It sounds cool, but it takes forever with a pump. Oh my
Yeah, it
goodness.
does.
We're going for a spinner again.
It's great practice.
Yeah, this is shit I have from my last. I've had this sitting in my basement from
Well, I use mine forever.
Texas State Ski
It's
Champions.
been on my safe for 4 years. I did it oil.
Where was that?
What pattern?
What magazines does that shotgun of yours do?
Same as the VR80.
Sitting mobile. Or it was
Pop.
sitting there doing nothing.
Walk away. Walk away from it.
Yeah. You don't have somebody offer you this and then not.
Good thing Dad
There!
was in the shotgun shelf.
19729 plus 30.
Considering where we are,
This
pretty much everybody.
It's like a fucking Uncle Mike's. Something to stick it in.
Oh God. We guard against those.
No one was shooting them. These are my favorites for loading at home.
I got one of them!
I think I'm going to beat him too.
Too bad the box is a little bit closer.
Yeah, a little bit. Would have helped.
I will shoot at everything once.
There you go. Yeah.
I have 44 rounds.
And I will shoot
How is this?
Hit that plate rack.
Just hit the middle.
Man, we should have put
Plate
these
rack
in
for
front of the
ants?
tires.
Yeah. Angle it right, you can hit him.
Yep.
Your turn.
I forget what I said.
I think I was before.
What?
Roy's next. Looks like. Oh no, Roy's next. Yeah, Roy's next. Don't be polite. Step in and tell us. Yeah. Roy's next. Then you can shoot.
I just. It's a boost over there.
That's what I remember.
It isn't as.
Get a looser choke!
What I would have.
I don't think it has a.
I don't think it does either. It's got that breech barrel thing.
Oh no, I'm out of ammo on this one.
There you go. Hooray!
Get this clear! Hit it! Yeah, shoot it!
Gotta hit it.
I don't think it's going anywhere. We're clear. 138.30.
138.30 and 30.
Pump. Are you ready? Sir. Stand by.
Yeah!
Oh man.
Damn!
There you go. You got it.
Blake's still swinging.
He spotted it.
It's dropping more on the ground than it's.
Yeah, I never drop it off. Yeah, it's always good.
Woo!
Do it too, actually, if you're right.
Two, huh?
You only need 3 rounds.
Oh, I didn't do it right.
All right.
Muzzle up. We're clear. Roy, 70-13. Are you ready? Stand by. Over? Nope. Now it is.
tablet in his hand with a green jacket.
We saw the access sign, and we're just looking for a place around here. We're up from Core Lane. Right before the driveway.
What you're saying, move to your right. What's that? Move to your right and get it too.
Oh, okay.
If you go down here and hang a right, and there'll be a V and there'll be a sign right there.
All right. We're clear. 9387. Are you ready?
They got a long ways to get.
Stand by.
Yeah, I mean, sure. Come on down without knowing where to go. Absolutely. I just.
What are we doing here?
Wait, if you let him go empty, I'll run up and knock the steel down.
Let's just throw
I
rocks.
say we won't have to reset anything this way.
Bill's got a great idea.
Yeah, just. That was close.
Oh, come
That
on!
was really close. Oh, he made a move. It wiggled. Try the pistol rack. No, nothing, huh?
That was me!
Maybe the pistol
Did you knock it over?
No.
Try the plate. So fucking wide.
You got to take the windage into consideration.
I have trouble resetting that shot. Resetting it.
Let it out.
Well, yeah.
The good news is he's really fast.
Stop
So
wasting
Matt,
your
you trying to
ammo.
get another truck?
Yeah.
I think that's what about.
They did total it?
I haven't heard yet. We were supposed to hear last week. The F-150 is high on my list.
Did you get your warranty taken care of?
Yeah, I did. I did put a new brake line on it.
So
Range is clear.
everything's good. You're still happy.
Reset!
Next.
DNF.
Oh, he fired. He didn't hit anything.
So that's plus a lot, right?
He's 0.
Not even wiggle.
I got another gun I can run. Do with the shotgun.
Roger.
I think I got hit by more BBs
Pump.
than the
His
steel
shooter. And then you're up.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Wow. That's like a full field loader, a turkey load or something, huh?
Oh, what you got in there? Knock the whole
He got two plates.
Nice on that play rack.
Two on the plate rack? You hit the plate rack then.
Yeah, that could be. That's probably exactly what he did.
All right, we're heading back.
Hey, good shooting you again. Good seeing you guys.
See you. Good to see you. I may have some F-150 questions for you.
Good to see you, John.
Take care, bud. Yeah, glad you.
Coming down. Always good to see you. Thanks, Roy. Always good to see you.
Well, it would probably work great against a snake.
Oh, yeah.
And the grouse may be 5 feet from you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be fun to shoot, huh?
Oh, it was fun.
I missed that. What happened?
It didn't go down.
Absolutely not.
Nothing went down.
What's the thread on that thing like?
The 2.5 inch or 3/8 barrel.
I think Ken hit more stuff with rocks than John did.
Range is clear. 7342.
7342.
Are you ready? Stand by.
I think it's from my sight or my light attachment on the front. I come forward and that's over.
See you later, Doc.
We're clear. 7437.